So, I've had the iPhone 17 Pro Max for about 2 to 3 weeks now, but I could not use the phone as my daily device because I don't have the necessary accessories that I need to use the device, such as a pouch, a screen guard, and an additional cable. And I tried to buy directly from the Apple store, but because of course I live in Nigeria, it's quite impossible for them to ship directly to me. So I discovered this site called Benks. That's actually from a YouTube video when I was actually trying to get reviews for the Apple store itself. And these guys actually ship to Nigeria for just $10, and it takes about 13 to 16 days for them to ship. I actually just got my package today, and I'll be unboxing and sharing my thoughts on these products in terms of like quality and build. Now, the interesting thing is that I actually thought that these guys are a US company, but apparently it seems like they are either in China or they are a Chinese company, or basically what they do is drop shipping, which I think is actually quite interesting because immediately I placed the order, I actually placed the order over a weekend, and by Monday I saw that the order was already in progress, and of course it took about 13 days. It actually took 17 days to get to me, but as at the 16th day the package was already in Nigeria. So yeah, we've got the phone case that's looking pretty. Of course I'll be unboxing it with you. We've got the phone cable. I think this is 2 meters and it is fast charge and safe. Of course they will not say it's unsafe. And this is the screen protector. Yeah, and I think I'm excited about this screen protector because I've always been of the argument that most of the screen protectors that are sold for 2,500 naira is actually trash, because I think this actually comes with an installer for the screen protector itself. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, the cable. I don't have an unboxing knife, so this is most likely going to be a struggle. So yeah, that's it. Benks. So yeah, phone to the rescue. I'll be pen to the rescue. Okay, quite a solid build they've got there. I think the branding looks good. Okay. At this point, I don't even care if they're a Chinese company. This, in terms of branding and presentation, looks way better than most Chinese products that are properly purchased either from AliExpress. Oh, this is super good. Oh my geez, this is lightning cable instead of USB-C to USB-C. So apparently there's a mistake here. I had placed an order for a USB-C to a USB-C, but what was delivered apparently is a lightning cable. But looking at the length of this cable, oh boy, this is 2 meters. I think it's actually really good. This is actually going to be a real cable. But yeah, considering that the fact that these guys were able to ship, I don't think I would mind buying from them again. I think the shipping fee is actually super cheap. Most of the other alternatives actually cost about £30 or 30 euros or whatever, which is almost like the price of the phone case itself. So yeah, let's take a look at the phone case. Hopefully they didn't ship an iPhone 16 Pro Max phone case for 17. So yeah, this is the Aurora whatever phone case. I think this is one of their premium phone cases, and I actually got the screen guard as a gift in addition to the phone case. What's happening here? This is looking tricky. Do I need a manual to unbox this? Okay, looks like, oh, interesting. So we've got the thing here. I'm going to need an unboxing knife soon. Okay. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I see. Okay, so this is what the phone case looks like. I like the texture. It feels really good. It almost feels like holding a phone, right? It feels like holding a phone itself, which I think is really good, right? I think one of the reasons why a lot of people don't like phone cases is because it takes that intimate feeling away from the phone case. But this feels really, really good. Let's see what it looks like with the phone. I don't expect this to be rocket science. And the inside is actually quite solid. Okay. Oh, nice. This feels really, really good. I actually don't feel like my phone has a phone case right now. I don't feel like my phone has a phone case, really. I feel like I'm actually holding my phone. Oh, and there is a space for the action camera thingy that was just introduced into the new iPhones. Right, I've got my action button. Yo, you can't get this anywhere else. Oh, and I love the bevel around this. So if you place this down, I think that should be scratch protective. So basically, when you place your phone down, you are sure that it's not going to get scratched by the surface that you are placing the phone on. Oh, I think this looks really good. I think this looks really, really, really good. This exceeds expectation, bought the wrong cable, but yeah, we move. Let's check out the screen guard now. I most likely will not be fixing this screen guard on camera because I've not fixed the screen guard like this before, so I probably don't want to mess that up. So yep, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So yep, got the screen guard. Oh yes, these guys have been around since 2008. I don't even remember if there were mobile phones in 2008. Probably they were building something else in 2008. And all of this just for a screen guard. That's quite interesting. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, nice. So see this. This comes with everything that you need to install the screen guard on your phone. Oh, nice. And you've got a bunch of things here as well. I don't know what these are, but I'll probably go through the manual. Understand? I guess these are probably things that you need to clean. Okay, yeah, installation kits. So these are things that you probably need to clean the surface of the phone, and you're good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts. There's no affiliate link for Benks. I'll probably share the link to their website in the comment section. Cheers and take care. Bye for now.